In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily close Shopify store for maintenance. By the end, you'll know how to put your storefront behind a password so customers see a clear maintenance message while you safely make updates in the background. First, head to shopify.com and sign into your store's admin. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the Shopify dashboard with the left-hand menu. Make sure you're on the admin, not your public storefront, and that you're using an account with permission to manage the online store channel. Next, look to the left sidebar and find Online Store under Sales Channels. Click Online Store to expand its options. This is where you manage your theme, navigation, and other storefront settings, and it's also where you'll find the controls to temporarily close the store. Now select Preferences within the Online Store section. The Preferences page includes several important storefront settings, and for our purpose, you'll want to scroll until you see the password protection area. This is the built-in feature that restricts access to your store while you work. Enable password protection. When you turn this on, your storefront will display a password page to visitors. Choose a temporary password that's easy for your team to use, but not guessable, and share it only with the people who need access. You'll also see a message field. Use this to let shoppers know what's happening, something like, "We're performing scheduled maintenance and we'll be back soon." If you have an estimated return time, include it. You can also add a friendly note about where customers can follow updates, such as your social channels or newsletter, without listing any sensitive contact details. Once you've set the password and message, save your changes. After saving, I recommend confirming everything worked by opening your store in a private or incognito browser window. You should see the password page with your message. If you enter the temporary password, you'll be able to view the site as normal and continue making your updates behind the scenes. When your maintenance is complete, return to the same preferences page, turn off password protection, and save again. Your storefront will immediately be accessible to everyone. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Schedule maintenance during low traffic hours to minimize disruption. Keep your message clear and reassuring, and avoid sharing the password publicly. If you maintain a support inbox or status page, reference it in your message without exposing any private details. And that's it. You've temporarily closed your Shopify store for maintenance in a safe, professional way and can bring it back live with just a toggle.